Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Tiny Email. Tiny Email is an email marketing solution, and as you can see, it's an alternative of Klaviyo MailChimp. And they're saying that Tiny Email is an email marketing solution that lets you send interactive, laser targeted emails to help your brand grow fast. That means it's an email marketing solution. See here, you will get unlimited subscribers, so you can add here unlimited subscriber. You can build your form and pop-ups here, and by using this form and pop-up you can collect your subscriber. You can get here the complete email marketing solution. You can segmentize and personalize the emails. You can have different types of integration. I'll show you what integrations there are available. You can also have the automation for Shopify. Also, they have some solution for WordPress. And as you can see, they are offering here up to license tier 4. And I'll recommend you to get this license tier 2 at least. Why guys? Because see, on license tier 2 you will get no tiny email branding. So if you want to remove the branding, then definitely you have to get this license tier 2 at least, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description and get the 10% discount on TinyMail lifetime deal. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of TinyMail. See, guys, this is the dashboard of TinyMail, and here you can see the bird eye view of your account. Basically, here you can see how many campaign you have completed, how many campaign is active, how many campaign is scheduled, and how many campaigns are paused. You can see the deliverability rate, engagement rate from here. You can see your audience. See, I have total 1000 audience and 0% from integration and 100% from manual upload. That means I have uploaded all my subscribers manually here. And if you get any subscriber from integration, then these subscribers will be added in this integration section. I hope you get idea, guys. And here you have to build a campaign. But before building the campaign, let me show you other features. Let's say this is the template section, and see there have a lot of drag and drop template option, and these templates are completely pre-made template. You can edit these templates just by dragging and drop. See, they have 566 templates, and it's in library section. Also, they have some basic template. They have branded template. And now what this branded template is, branded template means in here your brand logo, your brand color, brand font will be added automatically, and they have some stop pics also. So you have to choose these things from here. Also, you can see the preview. Let's say you want to use this one, but before using you want to see the preview, so just click here on this preview button, and then you will be able to see the preview. And this is the preview for desktop. See, this is the preview for desktop, and this is the preview for mobile. So you can see the preview for mobile and desktop both from here. And if you want to use it, you have to just click here, edit, and then you can edit these things by your own, and then you can save your personalized template basically. And similarly, they have forms. You can also build here form. You can build the from here from scratch. Just click here on this create form, and then you can build your form just from scratch. But there have some pre-built form also. See, these are the pre-built form. You can use these forms here. There have embedded form. That means you can embed these forms on your website or wherever you want. You can also have the pop-ups. See, this will show to your audience as a pop-up, as just a pop-up. And then there have some flyout also. Now what this flyout is, this flyout will be shown at the bottom right or bottom left corner of your website. I hope you get idea. And let's say you want to see the preview for this one. Maybe for this one, just click here on this preview, and then it will show you the preview. See guys, this is the preview for desktop, and this is the preview for mobile. So in this way, you can also create here form. I hope you get idea. Then they have integration, and let me show you what integrations they have. At first, they have JPR integration. So if you are a JPR user, then it's a good thing for you, because if you have JPR, then you can integrate it with almost any tool basically. But they have some pre-made, or they have some in-house integration also. See, they have WordPress integration, Salesforce integration, and WooCommerce integration. And then they have Shopify integration, Magento, Evolution, and Zoho CRM integration also. Just you have to click on this plus icon, and then it will be added here, and then you can just click here on this connect, and then you can just click here continue, and then you have to authorize your account and it will be connected. I hope you get idea. I'm not connecting right now, but you can connect it if you want. After that, they have audience. In this audience section, you have to add your audience. Basically, just click here add new audience. You can upload file, you can upload or you can add your audience by using integration. You can also add to existing integration, and you can create here different segment of your audience. See, I have already added one audience, guys. See, test audi the name, and they have total 1000 subscriber. If I click here, so guys, here are the audience, and these are the dummy audience, guys, or these are the dummy information. These are not real information. I have total 1000 subscriber, and here you can see the open rate of this audience, the click through rate of this audience, the unsubscribe rate of this audience, and I haven't used this audience to run my email marketing campaign. That's why here everything is 0%, because this is on test audience basically. That's why, guys. And see, I have uploaded all my audience manually. That's why my manual upload is 100%. And if I get any audience from integration, then this audience will be added in this integration section, which is 0% in my dashboard. I hope you get idea. Now let's say you want to create one audience. Just click here upload file. You can upload the file. At first you have to give a name. Let's say video audience. Let's say this is the audience name. You can also download the sample CSV file from here. Just click here, and then it will be downloaded. And then by using this sample CSV file, you have to just click here continue. Then this pop-up will be added. Here you have to enter the contact details manually. Also, you can upload data from CSV file. See, they have upload data from CSV file. In your case, if you want to use it professionally, then definitely here you have to upload your real data. But in my case, I'm using it just for test purpose or just to show you. That's why I will use here some fake data. That's why I'll go to Mokaro. See, this is mokaro.com, which is a free website, and from here you can just insert your field here. As you can see, I have inserted here email, first name, last name, source, birthday, text, currency, etc. And then if I just click here download data, then some fake data will be downloaded. So in my case, I will use this data. See, it's downloading. Just let it be downloaded. So the download has been done, guys. Now I will go to tiny email, and here I'll just upload this data. See, guys, I have uploaded this data. Now it's processing, and we have to wait some time, and then it will be uploaded finally. From here you have to confirm the mapping. You can just click here edit, and then can see if this data matches with this field. See, this is email. See, these are email, right? So if it's matches, then just click here confirm, and I have done everything here. Now you can just click here review, and then this review will be shown. That means these are the data basically, and you can see only the row which have problem. In my case, no rows have problem. And you can also see the modification. That means the data where you need to do some modification. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. If everything okay, just click here on this continue, and then just click here yes, and your audience will be uploaded. And in this way you have to upload your audience manually. But if you use here any integration, if you use here the pop-up form or any type of form, then what you have to do, you have to use this integration, and then whenever someone will subscribe on your email list, then this subscriber will be added on your list basically. I hope you get idea. So guys, these are the my audience, video audience. And if I go back from here, you can see your complete or your all audience. And I hope here will be total 2000 audience. See, here are total 2000 audience. In my to list, I have total 2000 audience. So in this way you have to upload your audience. And then they have automation. If I go to this automation section, they have some automation template, and I think I will explore these automations after some time. Now let me explore the campaign section. Let's say you want to create one campaign by using this tiny email. Now what you have to do, you have to go to this campaign section, and from here you have to create your campaign. See, I have already created one campaign and I have scheduled it basically. And to create new campaign, just click here create campaign, and here you have to select email campaign. And on AppSumo plan, only this email campaign is available. SMS campaign is not available, guys. And here you have to give the campaign name. Let's say the campaign name is video purpose and here you have to add the subject and preview text. Now let's say you don't have idea what you want to add, so they have one small AI writer, see, Tiny Einstein, the name is very cute. Anyway, you have to just click here, try now, and then here you have to input the company name or product name. Let's say the company name is Tiny Email, and tone of voice, let's say the tone of voice is informative, and here you can add first name. Let's say first name you want to add here, you can add here last name, birthday, company, and then here description. Let's say the description, I will get the description from here. Let's say this is the description. uh, I will go to tiny email and then I will paste it just for test purposes. But in your case, you have to write your product description here, right? Now, if I just click here, generate result, then it will provide you the email body text basically. See, customer first name, not the body text. This is basically the subject line. Don't miss this. Tiny email is an email marketing solution that lets you send interactive. Okay, this sentence is not complete, I think. Then customer first name, learn how to send interactive laser targeted emails with tiny email. Let's say I will use this one, just click here and then it will be added here. You can also add preview text, and this preview text will be shown before opening the email to your audience. So these are the things. Let's say uh, grab tiny email ltd, and then these are the things. Now you have to just click here, save, and from here you have to add the sender name. Let's say this is my sender name and this is the email. If you want to add new email or new sender name, just you have to click here on this add new, and then you have to insert the details about this email. But let's say this is my by default email, I will send by using this email. This is my verified email basically. So I have selected the details. That means I have selected the campaign name, subject, and preview text. I have selected the sender. Now I have to click here on this continue, and then here you have to design your template. You can use their pre-made template from here. As you can see, they have the pre-made template. Also, they have custom code option. That means you can design your template by using code. You can paste your code here. You can import HTML code, you can also import zip file, and this feature will come in future. So these are the things. Now let me here use one drag and drop pre-built design just for simplicity purpose, guys. Let's say I will use this one, but before using it I want to see the preview, so I'll just click here on this preview option, and this is the preview. Let's say I like it, so I'll just click here use template, and then it will redirect you to the editor. That means from this editor you can edit every text, every image. From here you can add here videos, you can add here headline, any type of editing things that need, you can add basically from this design dashboard. And see, you can add here image, you can add here text, button, spacer, video, social sharing option, banner, timer, menu, HTML code, carousel, then accommodation. Also you can add here form. Now let's say you want to add one video. So if you just click and drag and drop this video, and then this video option will be added. Now if I just click here, see, if I double click here, here I have to add the video URL. Let me add one video URL here. Let's say this is my URL, and if I add this URL, then they will automatically extract the video title basically. And here you can also add custom thumbnail, you can also add play button. See, they have different play button. So these things you can add, and the video will be added here. Just give it some time and then it will be added, I think. See, the video has been added here. Now from here, let's say you want to change the play button, you can change it. See, different types of play button is available. If I just click here, then this play button will be changed here. And you can also change the alignment from here. You can change the size, you can adjust with, you can also make it a responsive image. See, the icon has been changed. So these are the things. A lot of customization feature is available here, so you can use these features if you want. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. Now there have a lot of other feature, you can add these things. I'm not going in deep in this design section because it's very easy, just drag and drop, you can do it by your own. After that, just click here continue. You can send the test message also from here. You can show see the preview, and then they have another functionality on also. So these are the things. I'll just click here on this continue option, and then you will be redirected to this audience section. And from this audience section you have to select to which audience you want to send this message. You have to select the audience. You can also add the audience from here, but let's say I want to send the message to this video audience section. See, they have total 1000 subscriber, and then just click here continue, and from here you have to schedule it, or you can send it now. In my case, I will schedule it because these are fake data, guys. These are not right data, so I do not have any permission to send email to this data. I'm showing you these things just for test purpose. So let's say I will here select a long or a very fair days delivery date, let's say 27. I will not send it. Definitely you can say select here hour, you can select here minute, you can also select am pm, and time zone you can also change from here, and then just click here schedule. And if you want to send it now, just click here send now, and then it will be sent now basically. I hope you get idea about this campaign section, how you can run one campaign. If I go to this campaign section now, from here you will be able to see I have scheduled here 2 campaign. So these are the things. And if I go to the dashboard section now, from here I can say I have total 2 active campaign and 2 scheduled campaign. So these are the things. Now the last thing that I want to show you, this automation. So inside this automation section, there have some pre-built automation. You cannot build this automation by your own. There do not have any option by which you can build your automation from scratch. So you have to use this automation. See, they have welcome series, that means welcome all new subscribers, but identify those that are truly just beginning their journey with you and may need an incentive to make that first purchase. And product review automation, abandoned cart automation, thank you for purchase automation, win back flow automation, and browser abandoned automation will come soon. So these are things. Let's say I want to see the preview of the first one. So if I just click here preview, and see, here is the preview, guys. It will automatically send this email basically. I hope you get idea. If I show you the preview of this product review, then it will send this email. See, here it will send this email. So let's say I will activate the first one. If I just click here activate, so here it will be activated basically. Now if I click here preview, you can see the preview for desktop and mobile, but they do not have any ability to edit this email sequence or to create one automation from scratch. I hope they will add these features as soon as possible, guys, because these features are very important. So these are the things, guys. This is the whole idea behind this tiny email tool. If you think, guys, you need this type of email marketing solution for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this tiny mail lifetime deal from AppSumo. They are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo for limited period of time, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on tiny email lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.